Siembra Salud is an innovative, dynamic, community-engaging project that seeks to alleviate health disparities through addressing food insecurity.
El propósito es enseñar a las familias a que ellos puedan plantar su propio producto y beneficiarse de los productos orgánicos.
I was looking for an opportunity to get involved with the community. When Albert called me, he asked me if I could sponsor this grant request for the Latino Center, and I was happy to be able to help.
With these additional funds from HDR, what the resources are able to do is support families in a variety of different ways.
As the second year, we have about 29 families, and I think we have over 160 participants. So it's growing, and right now we have a wait list of about 70 people.
Pues que este programa es muy bueno porque nos enseñan cómo preparar la tierra desde un principio y nos enseñan a cómo también a cocinar, cómo preparar las comidas.
Tuvimos jitomate, chile, pepino, calabaza, tomatillo y elote, maíz.
Hicimos también hicimos una rica comida. Hicimos arroz con los jitomates, hicimos fideo y una vaporera también de caldo que le pusimos todas sus verduras. Ajá, y hasta mole preparamos.
We encourage the families to give us one of their favorite recipes that they've been doing with their garden veggies, and we try to do a book at the end of the year of all their recipes and then share it with the families.
Everything comes down really to building community. It is giving the community an opportunity and a place where they come together and work together and know each other.
One of the things that is impossible to measure is the snowball effect. So the families that we're teaching now how to grow food, in a few short years are going to be experts. And they're going to teach their neighbors and their friends, and they're going to teach their neighbors and their friends.
Cuando yo cortaba le decía, yo te voy a llevar las verduras que tengo y les llevaba sus bolsas de verduras y les daba a los vecinos también, ¿verdad? Yo les presumía aquí lo que estábamos haciendo y les decía, todo esto es sano y es orgánico.
So since the pandemic started, I think this has been really important for the families to be involved with the gardening aspect of it. Some of them actually said that growing their own produce in their gardens have saved them a lot of money, especially that most of our families work in the service industry. And so, some of them lost their jobs or reduced their hours, and so this helped out a lot.
Y otra cosa, que haciendo todo esto, se olvida uno de muchas cosas. Está con tanto amor, ánimo al trabajo, que si tenemos por ahí algunos compromisos, que los biles para acá y para allá se olvidan un rato.
Through this process of having a person going into people's homes, they start to build a relationship, and then their guard comes down, and then they're able to say, well, in addition to food insecurity, we want to work on our citizenship status, or we want to work on obtaining a high school diploma.
También la ayuda que le da el Centro Latino es muy bueno y ellos agradecen, ellos lo valoran bastante.
So that's important for immigrants because they're coming from other parts of the world, and they come into Omaha and they feel alienated and isolated, and this provides them with a platform to get to know each other.
Ese es el punto, ¿verdad? Que realmente es un programa muy lindo, y como dijo mi esposa, Siembra Salud es un equipo muy grande y todos ponen un granito de arena y estamos agradecidos por esta experiencia.
To all the employees at HDR who have made donations, that have supported this program, heartfelt thank you for your support. We're in great appreciation, and I know the families that we serve are as well.
Bueno, pues que estoy muy feliz y doy gracias y seguiremos disfrutando nuestro producto toda esta temporada. Hasta la vuelta de año, próximo año.
I know we all contribute with the idea of helping someone somewhere, but the fact that we could get it close to home and be able to help people close, it is special and means a lot.